How to add pump token to OKX wallet. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMEXC. To be able to add this token to OKX wallet, what you need to do, just click here the crypto token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain network. Now, after that, open the OKX wallet that you can see here. Now, just log into my wallet first, as you can see here, guys. So to be able to add this token to your OKX wallet, what you need to do, just scroll down, click on Manage Crypto, and now here, as you can see, search for crypto if you want to search for it, or you just can paste the token like this in the search bar. So click on Add Custom Crypto, and now select the network as the BNB chain as a network, or just you can search it from here in the search. As you can see, you can just type BNB, and now click on OPBNB. Now here you can paste the token in search bar. As you can see, now it's not existed. I will just try to, as you can see, click on add, and now protocol is ARC. Now I will just select the popular network. I will just try to find the BNB chain as a network from here. I will just keep searching for, as you can see, this is it. Now after you click on it, and here you can paste token that's in search bar. So as you can see, this out token. Now click on confirm, and now for a while, now keep searching until you find your token is just added, to make sure that you add it successfully. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. As you can see, our token added successfully to our OKX wallet. So this is how to add pump token to OKX wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.